All right, guys, welcome to another episode of the Financial Summit channel. Let me make sure that the audio and video are good. I need to get to the airport. I am heading to Mexico. I'm currently in Miami. Let me make sure the audio is good, video is good. Came through here for just a few hours. And how do I? Oh, it should be like this. There we go. We got a sleeping dog right here. Had a long night hanging out, playing poker with us. And let's go to screen share. Wait, what am I gonna? Not this, but this. All right, here we go. Let's go to screen share. Real quick. The monthly chart is looking a little bit better. We are up to 113,000. We're gonna have to go to the lower level time frames. You can see that the weekly time frame was able to recover and gave us a little bit of life here with a reversal-ish candle on the weekly, able to close above the moving averages. And we are holding these moving averages right now this morning. What I really wanted to point you to is, of course, the daily chart where the MRI strikes once again with the MRI buy candle coming in this Sunday, just like what happened on Monday, September 1st. Here we are on Sunday, September 28th, in a similar style. Getting that snowball rolling. And why not start on the MRI buy candle once again? This is why this is such an awesome indicator. But I think everyone that watches this show already has this indicator. In case you don't have this indicator, head on over to tonebase.com. It is right here. Oh, shoot, I keep forgetting to update my schedule for October. I am off to Mexico. I'll be scuba diving for the next few days. And then you'll find me at Bitcoin Fit Games. That should be a lot of fun. Other than that, no real announcements. I just wanted to, do a video as close to this MRI buy candle as I could. Everyone watching this channel should have known this was coming. I'm not surprised we rallied. I will be a little surprised if we continue to rally. At the moment, I think this 114 resistance is too great for any assumptions that we will break it. I give it maybe a 40% chance we rally, to new swing highs beyond 117. I think there's just too much resistance here. It's possible we break it, but until proven otherwise, I'm going to assume that this 114 area is going to reject the price, as you can see by these arrows. And we also now have an MRI resistance line right here at 116. And if we can break this MRI resistance line at 116, I will then be expecting new all-time highs. But until we break this 116 resistance line, and I will be, let's put it this way, if we can break this resistance line, just like we broke the resistance line back on September 12th, if we break this resistance line, I'm going to be a lot more bullish that we are heading into new all-time highs than I was back here when we broke it last time. Because now we will have a bit of a double top or a triple top versus the September 17 highs. And also a lot more time has gone by, so there's been more consolidation. And to me, I still consider this whole area consolidation at the top. And consolidations at the top are meant to break out to new swing highs. And that is pretty much it. Ooh, this morning is looking very, very good. Here's the current hour. We are now at 113.5. There's one thing I didn't discuss over the last week or two, and it's this conflict between Bitcoin Core and NOTS, which are two different implementations. And it sounds like, the Bitcoin community is again in a big fight like we were in 2017 This fight is not as critical for Bitcoin survival as the 2017 one was between Bcash and Bitcoin. But as this goes on, and I'll do a stream with Jimmy Song, and I'll try to get the old characters so we can explain it to you guys. So, I mean, neither side is not perfect, but I am getting very pissed off at Core, to the point where all these Core developers are just going to be completely irrelevant starting later this year. It's very, very bad what's happening, and they can go and start a shitcoin if they like at this point. Like, that's kind of where I stand on the situation. So, yeah, maybe I should do a show and discuss it. There are some concerns from the NOTS side as well that I have, but my concerns on the NOTS side of the equation are nowhere near as concerning as the Core side of the equation. And that is it. I got to run to the airport. This was a very, very short update. I think shitcoin season is over, and gold is still rallying. And wow, is this? Oh, it's the monthly chart. Okay, that makes sense. I still think gold should be topping here, but it's not. So if it's not, if this candle closes as a green star candle, then gold never pulled back, and up we go. It has to close as a green star candle. So I would not be buying gold this week unless it's the very end of the week and the green star is here to stay. Then I am bullish on gold until proven otherwise. And silver is very, very similar. Don't have time to get into it. No time to talk about that. All right, what's going on? S&P. I do want to look at the S&P. It's Monday. S&P, new all-time high as expected. I always expect new all-time highs. We did hit an MRI top, I believe, on the week. Oh, this is the MRI top week. Okay. So S&P could be topping here. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is rallying like crazy. S&P is near the top. I would not be buying the S&P this week because of the MRI top. So that's just a heads up. All right, and my computer is frozen, so that's fine. All right, I gotta run. I gotta get to the airport, and I'll try to do some videos from Mexico. But between diving and other stuff, I can't promise anything. But I am keeping an eye on the price action. Hope you guys watched the stream on my personal channel with Dr. August Dunning, a former NASA scientist. Next time I have him on, I should ask him if we actually went to the moon. That would be fun. He actually was involved in the in some of the moon missions. Not I don't know if he was involved in the first one, but you hear his voice on the radio. He didn't go to the moon, but my video with him was not about moon landings. It was about dry fasting. He wrote a book on dry fasting. He's about 77 years old, and he intends to live to 125. And in order to find out how he plans to live to 125, go over to my channel and watch the podcast. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching, and see you all on the next one. Poppy's still sleeping. His eyes are open, though. Bye, guys.